Greetings from Heavy Tech. Today we're exploring the world of lucky loggers. Their stories remind us of the importance of being careful on the job. Good luck, and let's begin. This is the definition of professionalism. These experts know exactly what they are doing.
Oops.
Make sure the ropes do not get caught on anything while pulling.
Oh my gosh!
I think these professionals made a small calculation error. I'll think twice before I underestimate how quickly things can go wrong when cutting down trees. Oh my God, this mistake could have cost that man his life. He saw the benefit of taking safety precautions.
There it goes.
Oh my God, it looks like he miscalculated that cut and set a trap for himself. This incredible miscalculation cost them dearly. Yes, another costly calculation error. Should these people stop cutting trees? Write in the comments.
Jeba. No. Oh shit.
Oh my God, why didn't you take security measures? I hope this guy is okay now. If he hadn't been standing in the crane, that could have been the end of that man.
Come on, man! Come on!
Oh shit.
Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way! Oh my gosh! Well, I don't think I got that, but that was not good at all. We just took out half the house.